In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to find TradingView from a simple Google search. Open the stock screener, choose a stock, and make sure the results are front and center so you can analyze them clearly. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type the word TradingView. You should see a result that clearly shows the official TradingView.com website. Always double-check the URL before you click so you know you're going to the legitimate site. When you see the main TradingView result highlighted at the top of the page, click that result to go straight to the platform. Once TradingView loads, you'll land on the home page. From here, your goal is to open the stock screener. Depending on your screen size, you might find it along the bottom panel or under menus like Products or Screeners. Look for the option labeled Stock Screener and click it. The screener is a powerful table that lists symbols with key data points, making it easy to look through many stocks at once. With the screener open, you'll see a list of stocks along with columns for price, change, volume, and more. This is where you can browse through the list and find a symbol you want to explore further. When you spot a stock you're interested in, simply click its name or ticker in the table. That opens the stock's detailed page, usually showing a chart in the center with price action and basic details around it. If you're new to this view, remember that you can hover over elements to see tooltips and quickly learn what each control does. To make sure you're seeing the result as clearly as possible, look for any panels or pop-ups that might be covering the chart or the content you need. You'll often find a small X in the corner of those panels. Click that X to close the overlay so the chart and details are fully visible. This gives you an unobstructed view of the stock's page, which is perfect for focusing on the price chart, key metrics, and any notes you want to take. That's it. You searched for TradingView on Google, opened the site, launched the stock screener, selected a stock, and cleared the view to see the result cleanly. Practice these steps a few times so they become second nature, and you'll move around TradingView with confidence.